Good morning. Another great day in Colorado shearing sheep. Oh, did you notice my coffee mug? You can buy one too at my merch store in the link below. Anyways, go to bed. No snow on the ground. Wake up the next morning. Look at that, snow everywhere. So, that's winter for you. So we're not going to shear today, but there are some sheep in the barn. And obviously, if they're in a barn, they don't have any snow on them. Sorry, it's really bright outside with all this snow on the ground. So let's go see what the boys are up to. There's a few young lads on the crew this year, super ambitious. One of them is a workaholic, the other one just likes to shear sheep. I also took that picture, by the way, too. And this morning they're like, let's go do something. I'm bored. We're gonna make some money. Blah blah blah. I was like, all right, go. And then I got other things to work on because, I got snow on my Calvary boots. Because there's other projects and side passions I'm working on, like YouTube channels, reading. Who does not like to read? Anyways, they're in here shearing some sheep. Hey, how's it going in there?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We got a bunch of workaholics here. How many you got done so far?
702.
Okay.
I know we're busting right through.
Good start. Good start.
10.
Where are you putting the wool? Where's Brooke? We need Brooke out here.
Yeah. She's making a bakery run.
Okay.
Again, that's cinnamon rolls.
Okay. Well.
Did you eat all the bacon?
No, but Quentin keeps coming in there and eating some.
Going out the door, man.
And I keep yelling at him. He says he's working on it, but that's just code for I'm gonna be more sneakier next time. Wyatt, what's your nickname?
What's that?
What's your nickname we gave you?
I can't say it.
The greatest shearer that's ever lived. We'll get him go. Greatest shearer that's ever lived. Don't mind that sucking cunt, guys. He's in production style mode, not show shearing mode. You're next. Oh, you smell that? Hello and welcome to Ralph McWilliams Shearing Supplies, and this is Ralph McWilliams himself. He is one of the main distributors of sheep shearing gear and equipment, handpieces, anything related to sheep shearing in the US. And as you can see, he has a nice selection of combs and cutters, handpieces, machines, anything sheep shearing related he has for the seasoned shearers or just people who want to shear 1 or 2 head. Don't be afraid to give him a call, and he'll He'll be more than happy to answer your questions and have a good talk with you about anything sheep shearing related. Were you inspired by this motivating picture of myself?
I was inspired by everything but the shoes.
Everything. Those are adult shoes, everybody. For mature men. Those are great for canoeing and portaging in the boundary waters. The BWCA of Minnesota. All right. Phoebe, show me your inspirational picture.
So there's two things that inspire me. That's sleeping and shearing sheep. So this is me sleeping and shearing sheep.
Oh, no,
I've got my.
We got a.
Is that a scorpion?
No, that's
Heidegger?
a Heidegger icon.
Oh, an icon.
No, FX.
An FX.
Yeah.
I've got my peeler, and I've tapped into my wings, soar, eagle soar, as they say in Hot Rod. It worked for him. It'll work for me. I got a whole 10 right now.
10.
I am soaring.
Hear that, guys? Where's your motivational picture?
Right here, bro.
Should be right here.
Right here.
I'm not.
Fucking who needs the photo? You got a ham piece and some wool. What the heck did I just wash into?
You watch magic. Motivation.
Check out that.
I know you're inspired right now. I know this is empty, but it won't be empty soon.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, hold on, right here. Control cat.
Inspirational.
This is you.
Okay.
Well, I'm southbound on the parkway, driving through the dead of night, rethinking every choice I've made, times I've hit just left or right. I wonder why I can't feel nothing. I wonder if I've gone insane. I wonder if she really loves me as bad as that hurts me to say. Darling, I don't know where we'll be going. Ain't made much of my self-worth showing to you. I'd render my last tender if tattered hearts could meet their menders. What do you say we just hit the road? I'll turn miles while you sleep, shooting stars in my backseat. What if we never come home? Ain't nothing here but living hell. Reckon that we might as well leave. Pickers in only if you'll kiss the hand. But I ain't made to play on the radio. I won't bow before no man. Well, the sleep it comes in waves, more like ripples I would say. For the bags under my eyes, every day a darker shade. Days go faster, time is flying. Left behind and she's left crying. Who knows how our story but at least a story will have, my friend. What do you say we just hit the road? I'll turn miles while you sleep, shooting the stars in my backseat. What if we never come home? Ain't nothing here but living hell. Reckon that we might as well leave.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. And also, from this point on, I'm going to be separating my sheep shearing adventures with my other adventures. So I'm going to be splitting my YouTube channel into two, turn the sheep shearing channel into an exclusive sheep shearing channel. But on my other channel, you know, it will be all my other adventures, outdoor adventures, shooting, and photography, all my other passions, outdoor passions. So be sure to check that out too. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and check out my other channel. And also don't forget to check out my store too, where you can see my photos, where you can see my photography and see the photos that I've taken. All right, see you later.